The world as we know it is going to be a very different place from what it is right now in just a few short years, thanks to AI. I know that there are millions, literally millions of videos that you could be watching right now. So I want to sincerely thank you for clicking on this intro video where I'm going to describe why I created this channel, who this channel is for, and what type of content you can expect. Regardless of your view, if you think AI is going to transform the world into Star Trek or Tomorrowland, or whether you think it's going to spiral into iRobot or Terminator world, the fact is that AI is here to stay. Like, there's no getting around that. It's here, it's gonna be here, end of story. There's no putting that genie back in the bottle. As a proud AI advocate, I am very, very excited for the potential that AI has to transform how we live and how we work. But I also understand that everyone, pretty much most people, do not understand how impactful AI is going to be. If you're interested on how AI is going to affect pretty much every facet of your life, but especially how it is going to affect your job, doesn't even matter what kind of job you have, I guarantee that somewhere along the line, AI is going to affect it. If you're interested in that kind of information, this is the channel for you. I will try to comb through all of the pertinent information out there on AI and compile it into an easily digestible format for you. I'll watch and sift through all of the boring content on agentic AI and quantum computing and how it affects economic and tax policies, so that you can consume what is most important into thriving in the new AI economy. So thank you for watching. Please drop your comments and questions below, and I will see you very shortly in the next video.